aboard the Carnival Freedom. My name's Amy, and today I'm going to be giving you a tour of the Carnival Freedom cruise ship. This is my first time on a cruise, so this is also my first time on this boat. There's a lot of cool things to do here. There's great entertainment, great drinks, great food. You definitely aren't going to go hungry. You're definitely not going to go thirsty, and you are in great hands with the staff. The staff and hospitality has been amazing. It's been clean, but right now I want to show you a tour so you can kind of get a good idea of what fun you're going to get into on this cruise. So let's go check it out. So this is our room. Today we took the economical route. We are staying on the interior of the ship. We are staying on the 8th deck. So this is kind of what we have. We opted for the king bed, so as you can see, we have just that, a large king bed. But I would like to say, though the room is very small, we're on a ship, keep in mind, there is lots of storage for you to put your luggage. I like that because there is not a lot of room to have your open suitcase, but we were able to tuck our belongings within the closets when you first walked in. Also, you'll see by the bed, it does come with 2 lamps since we won't have natural lighting in the morning or even throughout the day. Underneath those lamps are 2 storage components as well. Then we do have a main desk. It comes with a chair like you would see in a hotel with footrest. There is a mirror over here. There's also a mirror on the other side of the room, and then a mirror in the bathroom as well. We don't have a full-size mirror, but we'll make do with what we have. We also have a smaller TV, a bottle of water, wine glasses. I hear they do charge for those additionally. But then the room does come with towels for you to take out in the sun. Let's take a look at the bathroom. This is our bathroom. Like I said, it's not large, but we're making do with what we have. It has a nice sink, lots of space, decent lighting. There's tons of room for you to put your bathroom essentials. And then over here we have our shower. The shower again is a little smaller, but we make do with what we have. But it does come with your shampoo, your body wash. So with that being said, let's go take a tour of this cruise ship's amenities. We are now in the Atrium. This is essentially like the ship's lobby. It's in the middle of the ship on the 3rd floor, and here is where there's a lot of entertainment. For example, you see we have violinists behind us. They also do trivia here. Then there's a bar as well. These are also where you'll see the main elevators. It's also where you enter the ship, so it's just kind of the central hub, and it's also really beautiful. Right behind me is the Chic restaurant. It's located on the 4th floor, right outside the Atrium. It's where you go for your sit-down dinners. The food was delicious, and you have a lot of options on the menu. There are also other food and dining services available to you on the ship. Some of them are an additional cost, but there is a buffet, burgers, sushi, pizza, seafood, and room service, just to name a few. We're now on the 5th floor. The 5th floor is kind of one of the main floors as far as bars, restaurants, shopping, entertainment goes. For example, right now I'm standing in front of the shops, so you can pop in, buy some souvenirs, and let's keep going on the 5th floor, check out the casino and everything else we have here. We're now at the casino, which is located on the 5th floor promenade. As you can see, it's behind me. They also have a bar there, of course, with amazing bar staff. They have all, your casino games. The one thing I thought was cool, I'm not a big gambler myself, but their tables are electronic. So essentially, you're kind of like playing with a computer. Thought it was cool, but let's keep this tour moving. Right now, I'm in the 70s nightclub. It is the nightclub on the ship. It is a lot of fun. No drinks on the dance floor, but the floor does light up. It gives you that disco feel, but they play a whole variety of music. We are now at the Alchemy Bar, the best cocktails on the boat by far. This is kind of like a pharmacy spin-off, very crafty. Whatever you're going through, they have a prescription for anything, whatever the occasion is. Again, staff is great, drinks are amazing. Let's keep the tour cruising. This is Scott's Piano Bar. Super cool place to come. Felicia is amazing on the piano. She takes requests, she starts playing them. It brings a really great crowd and it's interactive. They have good drinks and it's definitely a lot of fun. I totally recommend it. This is Punchliner's Comedy Club. Super funny. I definitely recommend checking out at least once while you're here. They have 2 shows. The first one is an earlier one. It's PG. They don't swear or any of that. And then they have a late night one that starts at 10:30 and I guess it gets a lot dirtier. So we're going to check it out. 2 venues also on the Carnival Freedom that we unfortunately didn't spend any time at are the Swingtime Bar and the Havana Bar. So this is the theater. It's located in the middle of the boat. There's like 3 levels to this. We just saw a show. The entertainment here is outstanding. We've made our way up to floor 9. This is the Lido deck. As you can see, there's a pool here. There's also 2 hot tubs. It's a lot of fun. This is where all of the entertainment goes down outside. At scheduled times, they have entertainment like line dances, parties, mega deck parties, you name it. And then they also have a giant screen here where they do movies and then you can hang out at the pool and watch movies. There's lots of room for seating and it's a cool spot to hang out. We made it to the 10th floor. This is the top of the ship, and there's so many fun things to do up here. Starting with mini golf. They have a whole mini golf course for you. They also have a track for you to run your laps around the top of the ship. You'll also find gym equipment up here, and then they also have a volleyball and a basketball court too. This is the other pool. This one came to a surprise to me because I didn't realize it was here at first. This pool is adult only, so there is a pool, there's 2 hot tubs, and it's a little bit of a quieter place you can go without the kids. Also in this area is a restaurant you can pay for, and additionally, then there's also a bar and a really great pizza spot as well. Speaking of adults only, right now I'm sitting outside of Serenity. It is a 21 and up area. It's up on the top of the boat. I think this actually might be the highest level. It's really quiet, most definitely meant to relax. There's 2 hot tubs up here and additional chairs as well, and everyone's just kind of hanging out. Thank you so much for taking this tour with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I mentioned, this cruise has been so great, from the food, the entertainment, the drinks, the hospitality, the staff, the things to do. It's truly one of those times where there's so many things to do, so little time. I hope this got you excited for your trip. Now you know a little bit of what to expect. And like, comment, and subscribe if you're looking for more travel tips, things to do, or just travel experiences. Make sure you follow along.